That's another car I'm fixing right there. It's a 2015 Chrysler 200S. But I'll put it on hold. And here we are. Where is it at? Where is it at? I don't see it. Is it that one? It is that one. Yup, it's right here. It looks pretty damaged. It's gonna be hard to tell with all this snow. Alright, let's check it out. Alright, we just got the keys. Here it is. Let me give you guys a tour of it. This is my first time checking it out as well. I wonder what happened right here. Why does it have a spare? Looks like it hit. You guys can see. Oh yeah. Suspension damage maybe? Check it out right now. It's missing the rear bumper. Showed on the picture is gonna come with it. It's missing some tail lights. Oh. Listen, these cars have they don't have a wing on it. Oh, that's weird. Must have took it off or something. Doesn't look like the rear is damaged. It does have some light scratches right here on the trunk. Missing the tail lights on this side as well. This side looks good. Fender liner. Oh, on the door handle. Doesn't even have the side mirror. On this side, anything damaged? Nope. The headlights look good. Fog lights. Frame crash beam looks good. No, just missing a side molding is scratched up right there. Buff it out. Did kind of get dented in right here. Fix that. Here's still got some curb rash right here. See, does the trunk open? Oh, you got the spare tire. Has pretty bad curb rash. Might need to be replaced. Does it come with anything? Got some few plastic pieces right here. I wonder where they go to. Got another one right here. Whoops. What is this? Sort of plastic. What do you guys think? Oh, I think we already know where it goes. That's not bad. Looks like that's it. It has the carpets. I think that's about it. I wonder where these guys go. Interior pieces or exterior pieces? They look more like exterior pieces. We'll find out where they go later on. Oh, it's missing the liner. I wonder what happened. It's got backup camera as well. That's a good thing. Missing the emblem. Wonder what did happen. Let's check it out right here. Oh, airbags deployed. All black. Leather interior. It's pretty hard to see. And there's got, I think this is the rear bumper. All the wiring looks good. It looks like it comes with all the wiring. Looks like the roof airbags did deploy though on both sides. And it looks like you can tell right there the rear passenger seat airbag deployed as well. Airbags are pretty pricey, especially on these. Shoot. Trying to damage nothing. So cold. Look at the interior. Looks like somebody was inside already. Seatbelts. Leather interior. Nice. Ooh. Another thing I just noticed is missing the interior door panels on the passenger side. I wonder what happened. Why is it missing all these pieces? Comes with nothing. It's got a headliner at least. Let's pump the hood open. Let's see. Let's see if it has water and is willing to start. Where's it at in these? It's right here. Oh. It's got a 1.3 liter turbocharged engine. It looks like it's in good condition. It didn't hit anywhere. Does it have water? We gotta check that before we even start it up. It's got water. Now, let's see. It doesn't look like it got damaged anywhere. Everything looks perfectly fine. Everything's aligned perfectly. These headlights look nice and good. Great condition. Let's start it up. See if it's willing to start. Oh, 25,000 miles. So I got the key right here. Oh, it started up. What? Does it check engine lights? Yes, it has a check engine light. Right now we're gonna find out what that means. It's got the airbag light on, low pressure light, obviously, the spare tire, backup camera. What options does it have? It's got some few options. Wow, I never seen that. How do you take the backup camera off? Uh-oh, I don't think you can. What if I put in? Huh. You guys gotta help me out here. Just turn off the AC. Starts up pretty fine. No issues, idle's fine. Look what happened right here. I wonder what happened right here. It's kind of weird for having 25,000 miles. Looks fine, looks great. Beautiful armrest. Great condition. All it is a little cleanup. I noticed it's missing the speaker right there on the passenger side. What's this right here? I think that's control. That's to control the rear tailgate. Just popped up right here. Do the headlights work? Let's find out. It's for fog lights, so they should be on. Beautiful. They do start. Look at that engine, sounds perfect. Let's start it off. Let's turn it off. And I think it's time we cut these airbags out. I'm trying to get that done today before it gets any colder. So let's turn it off. So looking through the whole car, it's gonna need both front rear bumper side molding, rear side molding, tail lights. It has a spoiler, but I don't know what happened. It looks like they were gonna part it out or something. Door handles on both passenger side. I don't know if it has a window. Check that out some other day. We're missing the side moldings right here. And everything looks in good condition. Starts up. No body damage except for that passenger door. Oops, not this one. That's the one that has the bumper. Airbags. Passenger seat airbag as well. We'll see what happens. See you guys tomorrow.